Dear students, welcome. Today we are going to study about Lamè's theorem. So what is Lamè's theorem? If three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then each force will be directly proportional to the sine of the angle between other two forces. Listen. Now at point O, three forces acting at point O, P, Q, R. Three forces acting at a point O. Now the angle between the forces alpha, beta and then gamma. So as per the Lamè's theorem, the three forces, the resultant of three forces, equilibrium. Equilibrium means resultant equal to 0 or resting condition. Resultant force equal to 0. If three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, then each force will be directly proportional to the sine of the angle between other two forces. The force P directly proportional to the sine of the angle between other two forces. Other two forces R and Q. Angle between the other two forces alpha. So sine of the angle between other two forces. Similarly, Q directly proportional to the other two forces angle. Q, other two forces angle R and P, angle alpha, sine beta. And then R directly proportional to the other two forces sine angle, gamma. So directly proportional to the sine gamma. So equilibrium means the resultant force, the resultant force in resting condition, the body in resting condition, or the resultant of all the forces equal to 0, that is equilibrium. If three forces acting at a point or body are in equilibrium condition, body in resting condition, or the resultant of all the forces equal to 0, in that condition each force directly proportional to the sine of angle between other two forces. So for force P, other two forces in between angle alpha, so P directly proportional to sine alpha. For Q, other two forces angle in between angle beta, so Q directly proportional to sine beta. R, other two forces in between angle gamma, so R directly proportional to sine gamma. From that, P by sine alpha equal to constant. Okay, so how to write this? Equal to, substitute some value, constant into sine alpha. So from that, P by sine alpha equal to constant. Similarly, Q by sine beta equal to constant. R by sine gamma equal to constant. So from this equation you have to equate the constant. So final answer, P by sine alpha equal to Q by sine beta equal to R by sine gamma is the Lamè's theorem final equation. This is the Lamè's theorem final equation. Okay, in next video we are going to solve more problems by using the Lamè's theorem. Okay, dear students, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel for continuous mechanical engineering lecture series. Thank you very much.